Hola friends, welcome back to another Letter C show. I am super excited that you are tuning in with me today, and we are going to go ahead and go over our kindergarten readiness skills that you are going to learn about today. So, as I stated before, we are working on this letter, and I want to know if you remember what letter this is. Do you remember what letter this is? What letter is it? C. That's right. We are working on the letter C. And this letter C over here is a blue letter C. It's an uppercase letter C. That means it's really big. And this letter over here, the red letter, this is a lowercase c. So that means it is small. So we're working on the letter C today. And that's one of the kindergarten readiness goals that we're going to talk about today. We're also going to recognize numbers. So you're going to be able to look at some numbers that I'm going to show you, and I'm going to remind you and help you remember what number that is. Some of you probably already know your numbers, and that is great too. So the next goal we're going to work on is you are going to match objects with those numbers, and we're going to go from 0, 1 all the way to 0, 10, or all the way to number 10. I'm sorry, friends. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to work on your fine motor skills. So today we're going to use tweezers. And if you don't have tweezers, that's okay. You can use your fingers because you're still going to be working on your fine motor skills from picking up the objects. And we already talked about this one. This one just tells you that we're going to work on the upper and lower case letter. And we are working on C. So let's get started. I'm going to move my C's over. Well, actually, I'm going to move my C's out of the way because I need to show you something. Today, we are going to work with this object. And if you've never seen these before, these are called cotton balls. So they're really soft little objects. And we are using our cotton balls today because cotton balls start with the letter C. So we are using our cotton balls today because they start with the letter C. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull some of my cotton balls out. And if you want to go get your materials, these are what you're going to need today. You're going to need cotton balls. And again, we're going to use tweezers, but if you don't have tweezers, you can just use your finger. Okay. All right. So I'm going to pull some of these cotton balls out because we are going to use these today when we practice counting. So you're only going to need 10 cotton balls, okay? That's the biggest number we're going to go to is the number 10. All right, so I've got my cotton balls over here, and hopefully you've gotten your cotton balls too. And I'm going to spread them out so that I can grab them without them sticking together. Perfect. All right, so let's start our assignment today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a number. Okay, just like this. And then I want you to tell me, what number do you see? What number is this? That's right. That is the number 4. So if you did not know, this is the number 4. And if you already knew that that was the number 4, this is how you spell number 4, right down here at the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to count 4 cotton balls. So I'm going to do it, and so are you. Are you ready? All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So just like that, that's what we're going to do today. We are going to use cotton balls and we're going to count out the number that we see. So we've already did the number 4. So let's do our next number. I'm going to see if I can keep these together. Maybe I can. So our next number is right here. Do you know what number this is? That's right. Great job, friends. So some of you know and some of you don't, and that's okay. But this is the number 3. So if you did not know, this is the number 3. So we're going to count out 3 cotton balls. Are you ready? All right, you're going to do it too. 1, 2, 3. Great job, friends. I can see you working hard. All right, we're going to go to our next number, and this is a big number. So I wonder if you know what number this is. Do you know what number this is? All right, great job. This is the number 10. So if you knew this was the number 10, this is what the number 10 looks like. This is the word number 10. This is the number and this is the word. So what we're going to do is we are going to count out 10 cotton balls. Are you ready? All right, don't forget, you're doing it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job, friends, and I can see you doing a great job too. All right, on to our next number. Do you know what number this is? Yes, that's right. This is the number 2. If you did not know, this is the number 2. If you did know, this is the word for the number 2. So we're going to count out 2 cotton balls. Are you ready? All right, ready? 1, make sure you're doing it with me. 2. Great job, friends. Look at you go. All right, on to the next number. Do you know what number this is? Yes, this is the number 6. Don't forget, the number 6 has a circle at the bottom. So this is the number 6. If you did not know, and if you did know this was the number 6, this is what the name looks like. Okay, this is what the word looks like, number 6. So we are going to count out 6 cotton balls. I'm sorry, friends, I'm getting tongue-tied tonight. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So looky there. I have 6 cotton balls, and so should you. 6 cotton balls. All right, and we're ready to move on to our next number. So our next number looks like this. Do you know what number this is? That's right. Great job. That is the number 1. And if you knew that was the number 1, then this is the word. So this is what the word looks like. And we are going to count out 1 cotton ball. I know you can do that. Are you ready? 1. Great job, friends. All right, now we are going to move to the next number. And this is kind of a big number, so I want to know, do you know what number that is? That's right, it's the number 9. So the number 9 has a circle at the top. Number 9 has a circle at the top. And here's the word, number 9. So we are going to count out 9 cotton balls. Are you ready to help me? This is a big number. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Great job, friends. And I'm super excited that you are counting. We're almost done, friends. We just have a few more to go. So I'm going to move my number 9 up here out of the way so we can move on to this number. Do you know what number this is? That's right. That's the number 7. If you did not know, this is the number 7. And this is how you spell the number 7. This is the word. So we're going to count out 7 cotton balls. Are you ready? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that is 7 cotton balls. You guys are doing a fantastic job. All right, now we're going to move to this number. Do you know what number this is? That's right. That is the number 5. So, if you did not know, this is the number 5. And down here is how you write the word 5. So we are going to count out 5 cotton balls and make sure you're doing it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So right there you see 5 cotton balls, and I should see 5 cotton balls on your paper or your table too. All right, and we are going to do another number, and that number is right here. Do you know what number this is? Great job, that's right. So this is the number 8. If you did not know, this is the number 8. And down here you can see the word. So this is how you write the number 8. So we are going to count out 8 cotton balls. Make sure you're doing it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great job, friends. So that is the number 8. Now we just have one more number, and that number is right here. Do you know what number that is? Oh my goodness, I try to trick you, but I can't. I can't trick you. So this is the number 0. If you did not know, this is the number 0. And down here, you can see the word. It says 0. So that means we're going to put 0 cotton balls on here. That means we're not going to put any cotton balls on there because that's the number 0. So we're going to leave that one blank. And guess what, friends? That's actually all of the cotton balls that we have today. So we counted all the way to the number 10. And we counted with cotton balls because we are working on the letter C. So I am super excited that you guys tuned in with me today. I hope you enjoyed counting with your cotton balls for the letter C, and I hope you tune into our next show. Make sure you subscribe and share with your friends, and I will see you next time. Have a great day, friends. Bye-bye.